First, insert the memory card. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on. Press the OK key to start recording the video. The lens supports 180-degree rotation. After the lens is rotated, long press the up arrow key to change the picture direction. Long press the arrow key to turn on the night vision light filler. Press the OK key to stop and save the video. Short press the return button. You can switch between the camera, audio, video, playback menu. In each menu, press the OK key to confirm or stop. Press and hold the return key for 2 seconds to enter the settings menu. Press up or down to move the cursor, and press OK to enter. Back to exit menu. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to shut down.